Oh my God, crazy woman. Hi, this is Comet Troy, the RV park builder. I got some exciting news. I got to thinking, we got all this forestry management equipment over here at Harmony Ridge RV Park to treat invasive trees and keep the weeds back and keep everything clean and pristine. Why not put it to work on other forests in the area or other lot owners' lots? So let me explain. A lot of people own homes in the suburbs, and if you own homes in the suburbs, you probably have a fine trimmed lawn and have a lawn service that comes in. You know, people move from the suburbs to a wooded lot such as we have here in Tennessee. They think, well, no more lawn service. Well, I hate to tell you, it doesn't work that way. A forest actually is a lot more complex, requires a lot more care to keep the invasives back and the weeds. So in June, I actually tapped Comet Muffin to see if she wanted to partner up with me and take on this forestry management task. And I asked her, and what'd you say?
Yes.
So you were definitely interested in doing that?
Yes, let's get it going.
You like working out in the woods? And
I love being outside.
okay, good. And I see you have your weed whipper. You're all set to go?
Oh yeah, yep.
All right.
Yes, I am.
The only issue I have here is, you know, here, how can we, you know, tout that we keep track of forests when I see weeds growing right here? What do you have to say to that? Oh my God, crazy woman. I had to back up before I got my toes cut off. She's just going crazy back there. We are your lawn service or forestry service for your lot. We actually, you know, approached our first lot owner back in June, and he trusted us with his lot, and it was pretty overgrown, and we took care of him, and here's the result. Wow, how about that? So we successfully cleared his lot, and we got the overgrown vegetation back to a manageable state. And now the next phase, is really up to the customer of what they want to do next. We may just keep knocking the weeds down until a decision is made. Some topsoil could be brought in and plant some grass that have to be mowed. We could, plant some landscaping, some vegetation, or we could even do hardscaping, which is, putting down different colors of rock and, more concrete and sidewalks and patios and that sort of thing. So the sky's really the limit. So what do you think? Let us know in the comments. Like, subscribe, ring the bell, comment, and we will see you in the
Next video.
next video.